Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato sheds, my friends. We're in the North Waikato, Waitakere, the Massey Archery Club. Bronek, good to see you.
G'day.
Talk us through it.
Well, where we are, we're at the Massey Archery Club. They approached us 22 for a kit set for a lovely shed. This shed is 9 metres deep by 16 metres wide. It has 4 3 metre by 3 metre doors. And we've also got some beautiful clear lights inside. Basically, they wanted somewhere to store all their gear. They have an awful lot of pretend animals that they actually put in the bush so they can go hunt them, pretend hunt. So they wanted somewhere to put all of that. And they also wanted somewhere to hang out until such time as they actually get their big show club rooms built.
Awesome. So other than being such a sharpshooter yourself, Bronek, how did they choose to work in with Waikato sheds, and what brought them your wonderful way?
Well, I know they were dealing with a number of shed companies. They were talking to a lot. I believe they decided to come to us, and it wasn't on price. It was the fact that we were quite happy to come and either provide them a kit set or build, and we had the right timelines and everything else. Let's just come inside and have a look at a few of the features.
A few of the things that already impressed me straight away with what the build is and how it's designed here is the clear span. So New Zealand steel, metal craft, done really well with these clear span portals, but what they've been able to do is frame it up on the inside. So we've got these internal walls in here, so it's pretty cool. You've got a bit of a kitchen set up in there, obviously a great temporary club rooms, but hey, this could be a permanent club rooms as well in here as well, so lots of nice space. In it we've got the 4 roller doors, so lots of airflow, indoor outdoor flow in there. So I know this is being used for a lot of different club members, Bronek, so talk us through what we did with the PA door.
Okay, we've got a digital lock on there, so it's not a normal key lock. It's a digital lock, so everybody can have the combination, and you can give it out to a number of people and they can come in. And the cool thing is it's actually a manual one, so there's no keys, no batteries are needed, so it's available at any time.
So it's just another one of those little tweaks that we can do. Depending on what you're going to use this shed for, what you're going to need it for, is we're able to do it. We can change the locks, we can add in different scenarios and situations for it. Yep. So it's very cool, very well done. So I've been real impressed with what the Massey Archery Club's been up to. But tell me about it, Bronek.
Okay, well, the little thing about Massey Archery Company, as I understand it, they are the only archery club in the Southern Hemisphere that owns their own land. And when I say they own their own land, it's 57 acres. Wow. They've got a couple of areas that are full bush, and they're trying to create some that are going to be native bush, where they have these 3D models of animals, and some of them are life-size, where they go in there and they're able to go and pretend hunt. They've also got another circuit out here which has got 3D models, visual models, so you can actually shoot them with lasers. They also have a full-range archery on the front paddock, which they can do straight distance, and they intend to put a massive club rooms on the end here, and that's going to be a full indoor archery range that's going to be to international standards.
Awesome. So shout out to the Massey Archery Club, all the people that no doubt served on all the committees, fundraised and got that through over the year. Because without that sort of backbone in New Zealand from all the clubs, you just don't end up with all this awesome infrastructure. Because I know they've got everyone from kids to people in their 70s going out there, keeping fit, keeping active, keeping social and doing it. But one of the things while I was here is I want to just check out these 3D models. So let me snap my fingers and get in there. All right, now hunting's not everyone's jam, so that's cool, but I'm down for it. So what we've got here is we've got these life-size animals. And these are very cool, so they can set up in the targets and that in there. But what you've also got, and these are smart, is where they nail all their arrows into, and there's some in here that have been wasted, these can actually get replaced, because these will cost a couple of grand, where it's a couple of hundred to do that. So that's smart. Cool. But there's all ranges of setups in here. I love the dinosaurs. About the only thing that I'm not seeing in here, I'm seeing cobras, mosquitoes, giant frogs, a few zombies. That'd be pretty cool.
That'd be cool.
Who knows, maybe that's going too far on what they can shoot, but you've got all of this cool stuff that you're able to play around with. And I think that's just one of the things. who would have realised how cool archery is
Oh,
and
it's
what you
very
can
cool.
do? So hey, if you're in here, if you're up in North Waikato, Auckland, and you're keen on checking out archery, look up Massey Archery Club.
Yep.
We'll drop a link to all their clubs and their socials and the details down below, so you can have a check out of what they're doing. But this is another great shed, Bronek, that you've been masterminding and behind.
I've been honoured and privileged to have an opportunity to help out a club like this. It's very cool. I love doing that kind of stuff and helping people out and making dreams come real.
Absolutely, and that's it. You can see some of the great work that these guys have done afterwards. That's the benefit of our strength by design. New Zealand steel, so they've infilled in this, put a mezzanine for the lightweight stuff up there.
Yep.
It's really cool.
Unlike my friend Boris here.
Your friend Boris, that's it. He looks awesome. I'd love to get on, ride Boris. That's it.
I don't need that image.
That's it. And you know, that's sort of like Putin. You could be Jace riding the bear. I love it. Great meme. All right, that's enough waffling. Let's get cracking. Let's see some more sheds. But let's everybody know. What do we say? Great sheds done right.